Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to talk about Algorand updates with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Before I start analyze the chart, I would like to remind you till end of November, I got a minus 50% Black Friday deal for all indicator set plans, included the lifetime. Guys, you remember I tracked the Algo almost, I guess, 2 years, and all targets, personally for me, absolutely relevant. Middle term targets, here's a first step is like 43 cents, and this liquidity pool we have to break it out, and 53, it's a full fill of monthly gap. If we will close this candle above, I guess, 26 cents, yes, we can call it, it's like a breaking out. We use these charts, I guess, signs this area, zone 22, this from summer. And the worst case scenario, of course, happened because we drop it on the COVID dump. I think, of course, there's no limits. Yes, we can see in theory something like this one, absolutely possible, guys. We just work with possibilities. Not many coins dump it under COVID dump low. So imagine the sentiment around the Algorand. If this asset dump it one in June, somewhere 3, we sweep it the low of March, then 1, 2, 3 months traded under, then bounce back, drop it again. COVID historical low. So you remember the sentiment, what happened last time when we see that black swan. So BTC was here around 3K. Imagine. Now BTC around 100K. And Algo almost, not now, almost at the same level, but being here just last month in October. We traded at 11 cents. So it's just weird, you know. So yes, middle term targets is here. Most likely we can see even something like this one and retest. Yes, more than real to see, guys. Everything depends of BTC dominance. We have to see the BTC dominance under 55% or even 50%. End of altcoin season and end of all this rally for alts will be, I think, when the BTC dominance will be under 45 or 40%. You know, it will be the time to out of alts. I remind you again, not all altcoins, not all sectors will pump in the same time. So it will be the money rotating. So maybe the meme token sector pump first, right? Or continue the rally. On Sol, for example, then maybe the DeFi, maybe the GameFi sector will pump. But anyway, like you can see now, it's even the HBAR, XRP, XLM, IOTA, even the pump, and some people say why this all didn't token pump it, guys, because it's just a money inflow. So of course, some tokens will perform better. Some tokens will perform not like everybody waiting for. Maybe even it can be a brand new token like Algo, for example. I don't think so that Algo will perform like crazy, right? So maybe some Dino token will perform much better. That's why. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. You remember I tracked this really old basically token long-term period since 2022, and a lot of people even laughing because it's really weird, you know, when token just drop it, and you won't believe one day this token will have own momentum. But guys, it's just money rotating. So if we zoom out, for example, and look like this one on the chart. So this liquidity pool, just basically liquidity pool, this one liquidity pool, and this one monthly gap. Can we just pump to $3? Guys, everything possible. Absolutely everything possible. Maybe it's just a global double bottom, right? We start forming the global double bottom over than $3, and we have to skyrocket to $10. We can't know. In a moment, we can't know. We get a lofty series on Algorand for real estate, real world asset sector, right? So a lot of utility for Algorand, but unfortunately in the crypto space, it's not only always about utility. It's all about marketing. And just to be honest, the Algorand, not the best coin, not the best community with the marketing. Like a trend line, downtrend line, 1, 2, we're breaking out now this liquidity pool. So worst case, you know, worst case, of course, if we're going down again, but would be good to see something like this one and going higher. Maybe we'll see even something like this one if it's a correct trend line. Who could predict so the XRP will be $1.40, for example? I totally understand the XRP holders, yes, they waited, but everybody say the XRP is dead. But like we can see, no. That's why, guys, don't be brainwashed with all these brand new tokens and like all tokens not moving. All tokens just move like any other asset because the money inflow, money outflow, nothing special. Would be good to see test the buy line on the weekly time frame. Let's take a look if we test it or not. Yes, we tested. So the last idea you could track on a trading view, this one in October, by end of October, we tested the buy line on the weekly time frame. So that's the point of why do I use this SAT, because it's give you a lot of information, confident information, which you can adjust your trading strategy. Now this is like a local target. This one, we bounce it. If you accumulate it exactly at the buy line, here you can just fix 200%. Fix 200% or withdraw initial deposit. Guys, pretty simple. And don't need to talk about, oh, Algo is bad performer or so. Some token, yes, pump at 500%, some 700%. But take a look. Some guys who accumulated here, for example, they in profit like 245%. At full field, they will be in profit like almost 500% gains. So not all tokens pump like 500% gains, but we will see that gains. And take a look at the COVID dump to the main target watermark, it is going to be 1,200% gains. Why blame the coin if it's just accumulation stage? The problem is the timing. We can't know the time. Maybe we'll accumulate like this one and only after 5 years we'll pump it. That's the point of investment. If you're a swing trader, you already can fix a profit 200%. Pretty simple, right? So I just follow my plan. I wait this target, this target. What to do now, it's only up to you guys. So like usual, you have to build a plan. My plan is still relevant and I follow my plan. So this is my vlog where I share my plans. So it's not a signals or so. Trade on. Here was main signal to buy and take profit, sell, buy back. Bam. No signal to sell or so. Nothing. Weekly time frame, like you know, we use for investment. Here was a money outflow, money inflow was at 12 cents 63. More comfortable price for the whales. It's on a weekly time frame. Monthly, here also, the main money inflow by whales was at 10 cents and 8 cents 20. August 2023, imagine guys, August 2023, because they care about a time. So they accumulated here. Now this is not a distribution or so. In one single candle, we absorb all that downfall. Just imagine one single candle. So we dump it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months down, 7 months down, almost the year. And in one single candle, we just absorb all of that downfall. That's the point of the order flow. And this is what I talk about when I showed you some daily time frame, some 4-hour time frame. When we build some order flow, on a weekly or on daily, sooner or later we'll come back and fill it all that move. We need to track some outflow on a monthly time frame to out of the algo. So now not even close to the out of this assets. Of course, guys, can we see something like this one drop? Easily. So I just follow my plan, and even if we jump now to 10 cents, I just stick to my plan for Algo, because I invest that money, or that amount of money, what I can invest in Algo, and absolutely close to the chart, add my alerts, add my notification, and just wait my targets to fix the profits. That's the point of the investment. Direction, weekly time frame here, no signal to sell, only accumulation, signs made so many too. That's the point. And the last one is ADZ. ADZ is kind of weird because we're in distribution. But take a look, last time we traded since December 2020 till November 2021 in distribution zone. Now we trade, yes, since October 2023 till November 2024 in distribution zone, but without any divergence. Monthly time frame, this is what I would like to see. Here's what's the top. Maybe we will even see the higher point over than $3. We can't know. In a moment, this was a crazy accumulation. Now we're just in the middle. Imagine. So that's the point. So guys, all targets relevant, and if you want to accumulate Algo, my take is this area. So $1.25, $1.10. So from this current prices is 300%. But zones for accumulation was all this and period here at these levels, So around COVID historical low. If you would like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write my DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.